Famous industrialist and chairman of Tata Group Ratan Tata passed away late last night at the age of 86 due to prolonged illness. He had been receiving treatment at Mumbai's Bridge Candy Hospital over the past few days and succumbed to his ailments late yesterday evening. The Maharashtra government has flown the national flag at half-mast as a mark of respect. Ratan Tata's mortal remains was placed at the National Centre for the Performing Arts NCPA loans in South Mumbai today from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., allowing the public and dignitaries including Maharashtra Chief Minister to pay their final respects. Later, the last rites of Ratan Tata were held at World Crematorium at 3:30 p.m. Several prominent leaders including Amit Shah shared the grief upon the demise of Ratan Tata. Union Home Minister Amit Shah attended the funeral representing the nation due to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's overseas engagement. The Prime Minister had a conversation over the phone with Ratan Tata's brother to offer his condolences.